Assalamu alaikum. In this lesson, we will be covering al-khayshum to understand the meaning of Ghunnah and its application. So what does al-khayshum mean? Al-khayshum means the nasal passage. What is the characteristic of al-khayshum? Al-khayshum involves the letters noon and meem, producing a Ghunnah nasal sound. Ghunnah is the characteristic of al-khayshum. Let's go into Ghunnah in a little more detail. The letters of the nasal passage require a Ghunnah. It simply means making a nasal sound. The simplest and most common type of Ghunnah is with noon and Meem Mushaddad. We hold the Ghunnah sound in our nose for 2 counts. Anna, annu, anni, amma, amma.